Hello everyone. Today let's try and change the battery of this JBL TUNE120TWS earbuds, Bluetooth earbuds. As you can see, this one is working, this one is not working. The battery is totally dead. So let's try and replace the battery of this one. For that we need to remove it from here. So let me grab it. Close the cap. As you see, there is glue, so it's good that we did it. Glue and lock here. See. Now disconnect this one. Just pull the gently. Here there is glue. Okay. This is the battery. To replace new battery. I got these batteries from the local market. I did not get the original ones, but these can be used. Only thing is the backup may vary. There is no rating given on these batteries, so I cannot know how many of current they supply. So just apply some paste to both the terminals. See if these are there in your old battery. If they are not there, you can apply some other kind of insulation. These are like a felt, so when you fix them inside, there won't be much vibration. They won't shake this way. So now So the switch should be on the top. Fix the thing this way. Connect the flex. Do not use sharp edge of the tweezer. If you wish, you can seal it with the solder gun. Just heat it a bit. So try to remove this solder thread. Otherwise later it may fall into the PCB and it will cause short circuit. So just try to remove it. See that you will clean the soldering bit before doing this. What I did, it is wrong. The way I did it's wrong. See that you will not repeat the same thing. Connect it. Both the buds we have replaced battery. So the charging case battery is low, so I'll charge it first. After placing them in the charging case, you see the charging case battery is low, but here see the buds are charging now. Let them charge fully and then we will check. So hope this video is going to be helpful for you in replacing the battery of your JBL earbuds. If this video was helpful for you, kindly hit the like icon, share the video and subscribe to our channel if you are not yet subscribed. Thank you for watching everyone. Have a good time.